Okay, guys, today we're gonna do a flat roof on the second floor of this house. Okay, don't worry about the first floor. We did a balcony on a previous project there, a little previous video. So let's go to our south elevation, right? So we have level one, level two, and our roof level. So we're gonna go to our architectural tab, and under datum we have the level, right? So okay. Then let's do what is requesting us. So I'm going to use the big line tool, and I'm going to use an offset of like about 3 feet, right? 3 feet. And I'm going to hover over my roof level, right? So I'm going to get my level 7, right? I'm going to click, wait a second, click again, and I'm going to call them parapet, right? Just parapet. It can be uppercase, lowercase. Actually, let me go over lowercase. Parapet. Okay, so we can get our parapet wall. Yeah, okay, there we go. Got it? Okay, let's go to our 3D because a productivity tip, right? Hover over one of the walls, use the tab key, right? You can get the chain of walls, and all these walls, if we move to our top constraint on the properties, right? Properties, top constraint, we can move this whole thing up to the parapet, right? So apply it, and you're gonna notice that the walls, they went up a little bit, right? So okay, so then let's go to our roof level on the project browser, right? So project browser, right? Roof level. Okay, there we go. Got it. More likely, you're not gonna be able to. Well, you're gonna be able to see this. Okay. If I go to the parapet, you're not gonna be able to see anything, right? So to clear this thing up a little bit, let me also cover the underlay and actually put here actually none, so we can clear all these things up. Okay, now let's create that flat roof. Okay, so let's go into um, architectural tab. Let's go to the roof, right? Let's get this deployable menu. Let's get an architectural floor, right? Let's get into a roof, sorry, okay? Roof by footprint, right? Let's use the pick wall tool. That is actually a default. No defining slope, so this one is great, okay? And overhang to 0 is also fine, okay? So then let's pick the lines. You can pick one by one. You can also do that almighty tab key, right? And then click, and you're gonna get all the lines there, right? Okay. But for we're beginners, right? We're beginners, so we're gonna use that pick wall tool, and you're gonna pick every single wall, right? So it's gonna make the line inside. Make sure that the line is on the inside area. Got it? So we're gonna get all the outside perimeter walls. There we go. Okay. We're gonna switch back to the 3D really quick, right? We see that our lines are on the proper place. Okay. Those lines are on the proper place, right? We finish our floor, or sorry, our roof. That is actually like a floor because it's flat. Got it? Okay. And the last thing here is there's no such thing as a flat roof. So basically, maybe we need to go here, right, and edit the footprint. And on this one, we can add a slope, right? We can go define a slope, and we can go over like half inch over 12, right? Like a point 0.5 of an inch over 12, and apply it, right? And then finish this one. And you're gonna notice here, right? You're gonna notice that here is a sloping, right? So even it can be less, okay? It can be almost unnoticeable, right? Because what I'm gonna try to get on this one when I finish the whole house is to put here like a wall drain with a scupper going to the outside and irrigate my gardens. I can also try to maybe apply it over here, right? So I need to change my slope. So let me go over this one, right? Edit the footprint again. And this slope, I'm going to change it for actually 1/4 of an inch, or even 1 1/8 of an inch over 12. Got it? So it's going to be almost unnoticeable, right? But, well, we have a higher distance here than actually here. Got it? So it's a sloping. It's a sloping that way. Got it? Just for us to see that slope, right? And if you want to really, really make sure of that slope, we can use our section view, right? Our section view. Wait a little bit because I think it's on realistic. I need to get rid of that one, right? I need to open this guy a little bit up. Okay, be patient, and we will get it. Let me get the section up a little bit because it's what is messing the whole thing up. There we go. And then we have our slope right here, right? Also, I'm using a generic roof, right? So I select my roof. I go to my type selector, and then I can use my asphalt shingles, right? Got it? Wood rafters on 10 inches, right? Or 8 inches, insulated there. So it would diminish, right? And I can get my section back, and I can go back here to heat and line. That's the way I like to do this. So this is our roof with a parapet, right? This one needs to be the same with siding. Okay, there we go. Got it. And then we can get this one. Okay, this is a whole wall that I need to fix. Okay, there we go, guys. This is a way to do a flat roof, right? Let's go to our 3D to actually see this thing, right? Let's move it up to maybe shaded mode so we can see. So this is our flat roof. Okay, this is our flat roof there. Got it? Okay. Hope you like it. Rincon Beam Consulting. Like and subscribe.